Abu Qir Fertilizers and Chemical Industries Company. Abu Qir Fertilizers and Chemical Industries Company. A model industrial castle on the Egyptian land. Located on the Sea of Abu Qir coast east of Alexandria city. Abu Qir Fertilizers and Chemical Industries was established in 1976. Our mission is to work efficiently and effectively in a safe and environmentally responsible approach to produce our diverse product with the high standards of quality as required and as expected by our consumers. We optimize our resources and execute our investments in such a way that satisfy our consumers and maintain the environmental sustainability. This typical industrial castle is made up of 3 grand edifices. Abu Qir Plant Number 1. It consists of a unit to produce 1,150 tons per day of ammonia and a unit to produce 1,750 tons per day of urea, which represent 46.5 nitrogen. In addition to water purification, treatments, and turbines of electricity generation. Abu Qir Plant Number 2. The production of 1,000 tons per day started in 1991 at an investment cost of 800 million Egyptian pounds. Abu Qir Plant 2 consists of a unit for the production of ammonia with a production capacity of 1,000 tons per day, a unit for the production of nitric acid with a capacity of 1,800 tons per day, which represent the largest product unit in the Middle East. A unit for the production of ammonia nitrate represent 33.5 capacity of 2,400 tons per day. The improvement of the specification of ammonium nitrate with the addition of other nutrients was initiated in December 2004. Abu Qir Plant Number 3. It started production in 1998 and the investment cost reached 1.1 billion Egyptian pounds, which enabled the company to achieve global competitiveness and enabled it to cope with price fluctuations and competition in the world markets. This factory consists of unit for the production of ammonia with a capacity of 1,230 tons per day, which represent 46% special urea production unit with a capacity of 1,925 tons per day. In order to rationalize energy, protect the environment, use available resources, and increase the volume of exports, the marine line has been implemented on the Gulf of Abu Qir to export surplus ammonia with a capacity of 100,000 tons per year, with the length of 8 km depth of 10 meters below sea level. It's considered the largest marine line in the world, and it was implemented by specialized expertise through self-financing amounting 25 million pounds. This is in addition to the UAN liquid compost unit, with a production capacity of 2,400 tons per day. Production per unit began in August 2006. And a unit for the production of NPK blended manure, with a production capacity of 1,000 tons per day. Production per unit began in December 2005. employees as the main driver of all elements of production. A residential city was established with full facilities and services, adjacent to the company's factories, and is considered one of the largest industrial housing complexes. In line with technological developments in the control of operations, which requires special capabilities and skills. The company works through its ambitious training plans and participants in conferences and international bodies to continue to achieve the highest efficiency of workers, especially as its factories are managed by 100% Egyptians. For this reason, the company has established a high-level training center equipped with the latest scientific equipment to train employees and other companies. The company paid great attention to the development of sports and established a social and sports club and formed many sports teams that compete strongly at all levels. The company has adopted a new and advanced policy regarding safety, protection, and sustainability. The company is also raising the health level of its employees, its contractors, visitors, and the surrounding environment. The company has implemented many new projects. Desalination Unit Project. The aim of the establishment of the company's desalination unit was to meet the needs of the plants due to the future expansion. The design capacity of the unit is about 450 cubic meters per hour through 3 production lines. 225 cubic meters per hour. Investment cost of the project was 4.5 million euro plus 5.5 million Egyptian pounds. The operational trials of the project were completed and received in August 2017. Industrial Wastewater Treatment Project. Zero liquid discharge. The company adopted the policy of recycling and environmental conservation through the establishment of an integrated treatment plant for industrial wastewater with a design capacity of 650 cubic meters per hour. And the amount of water recovered after treatment is about 550 cubic meters per hour. And the production of 70 tons daily Schrader sulfate as a secondary product. The investment cost of the project is 7.8 million euro, in addition to 88 million Egyptian pounds. The purpose of establishing a factory for the production of plastic shards to serve the operational process of the factories and to cover the supply chain of the company. The factory consists of 3 main lines, in addition to 2 printing lines and 3 cutting and welding lines. The average daily productivity is 120,000 bags, which is equivalent to 40 million bags per year. The investment cost of the project is 5.2 million euro. The company is currently implementing many future projects, both on the company's land and abroad, including project to create a factory of acid and liquid nitrates, project to raise the efficiency of the blended manure unit, project to establish a plant for the production of methanol and CAN fertilizer, seawater desalination project. Abu Qir Fertilizers and Chemical Industries Company. The increase of the state resources as Abu Qir Fertilizer Company is an Egyptian joint stock company with share owned by the state more than 80% of its capital. Abu Qir Fertilizers and Chemical Industries Company